What's up, everyone? Fallen Jungle Angel here. I know you can't see right now, but right now we are doing this Gazooka. It's a slime, galactic slime thing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Like me, this is our little platform. We're gonna keep dry. Brian's on that side. I am on this side. Okay. So, before you begin, it is important that you do not eat any of the Gazooka slime or the ingredients including this kit. Sorry, Brian, you cannot eat any of it. Number 2, keep all solutions away from your eyes, which I already knew that. Make sure to wash your hands well with warm water and soap after playing with your Gazooka slime. To keep your area clean, make sure you put a covering under your work area, which we got. Okay. Step 1. Use a plastic cup, not include your kit, and pour 30 ml of warm water into a cup, which we already did that. We already got our water in there.
Yep.
Okay, number 2. Then add 0.15 grams of sodium tetraborate to the hot water in a plastic cup. To the what? This makes no sense. To the hot water. Okay, to the hot water in your plastic cup. So we gotta find the sodium. Which one's the sodium?
The cocaine.
The cocaine. We were calling it cocaine, even though it's not. It's sodium. See, right there. Okay, so it says we have to pour it in there. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, let me look at this. This is really weird. I'm trying to think because it says use the plastic thing, which is not included, but this is the plastic cup. What in the world? Okay, hold on. Let me look at this, guys. Hold on. So it says that it's so I think is weird. So what we'll have to do, I guess we'll have to do this. Put it back in here, which I think is weird. Oh gosh, that just seems well too much. So it has completely dissolved. This is making no sense. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it now. It's being weird. Anyways, so use 30 ml of water, which we have here, which we can actually so what we're going to do is we're going to put all this here. Okay, we're going to use this. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see this one right now, but you'll be able to in a minute. So Brian, you want to put the sodium, oh gosh, the sodium in this thingy, in the cup. Here goes the cocaine. Just in case it's not cocaine, it's
cocaine.
No, it's not. And then it says, in your plastic cup, use the mixing stick. I just threw something at myself. So we're going to use
probably one of these.
It'll be that one.
Stir it.
Yeah, here, I'll hold it still if you stir it. It says, till it has completely dissolved, which it looks like it has dissolved.
Okay.
Okay, and then it says add 15 ml to the glue to the mix. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this over here. You guys are not gonna be able to see it for a little bit, but it's okay. What we're gonna do, we have our glue here. Put 15 ml. Let me dry this out real quick. There we go. So add 15 ml to the glue to the mix. You can transfer. Okay. So let's do this. Let's see. Here we go. You guys can watch it going. If it. Oh my god! It won't even squeeze out.
Yeah, it's.
I wonder if it has a.
Does it?
Whoops. Oh gosh. Oh. Can you get that off me?
They put a butt plug in there.
It's not a butt plug. It's nasty.
It is. They put it in there.
I am really terrible at this stuff. Oh my gosh. It's like it's right in front of me, all the answers, and yet I'm still bad at it. Okay, so 15 ml. Which I know it's milliliters, but I call it ml. So, just gonna squeeze all of it out. Oh my gosh. It feels like I'm wasting it. I don't know why. I just have this feeling that I am wasting it.
It's good. It's good.
So scoop out. We still have some extra glue. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Add 15 ml to the glue to the mix. You can transfer the mixture to a bowl to make it easier if you want. Which I don't think we're gonna do that because I don't want the dishes all heavy. Okay. Here we go. You gonna go ahead and pour that in here? Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like nasty.
This is glue.
And then the next step is to add glitter if desired. Should we add glitter? I think we should.
Mm-hmm.
This is our glitter right here. Beautiful, beautiful glitter. Move this over here. Use the stick to get it out. It might help.
Probably.
Let me open the glitter. Gosh, if I can.
Is that much? No, I can't tell. Let me see.
Let me put the glitter right here. Let me try to get the rest of it out.
Oh. I got that one.
Do that, and then sometimes glue is just not. I like playing with glue, but sometimes it's very irritating. I don't know about y'all, but like when I was younger, there was like when you're in art class, or whatever, you always, well, for us, we always have to pick between having the liquid glue like this and then the glue sticks. But I always like the glue sticks because it was less messy. I don't know about you guys, but okay. Okay, add glitter as desired. Okay, and then we'll choose a color for our slime by, so we'll go ahead and add this.
Yep.
Add the glitter. Look at all that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful glitter. That's a mess. Okay, and then it says, choose a color for your slime by using one of the dyes, then mix them. So
blue.
Do you want to use blue or purple?
Blue.
You use blue? Okay, we probably won't need the whole thing. We'll do only a little bit. Choose a color for slime by using one of the dyes. Okay, you want to pour it in, or do you want me to? Just kind of squeeze it.
Yeah, you want to try.
Here. Ooh! I have a feeling it's a, yeah, I know, I just saw that. And I'm just going to use like this because, you know, it's still not. Oh, I see, okay, okay. Oh, I'm so worried I'm going to get it everywhere, and it's...
It has another butt plug in there.
Shush! It's not a butt plug.
The butt plug.
Oh, I hate doing this kind of thing. Did I get it? Nope. Oh my gosh. We might need something to...
Let me see it.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting oh.
Oh my God. Somewhere.
That went flying. The cat, he was like, what in the world was that?
I saw a glimpse of it.
I just saw it shoot up. I don't even know where it went. Well, luckily, most of it was. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Whoops. Oh my god. I guess I squeezed it a little too hard. Anyways, here we go. We'll add some of. I guess we'll just use all of it.
Yep.
Because why not?
Favorite wind.
Okay. Let me use. We'll have to find it a little bit. That literally just shot up.
Yeah, there's a trail here.
Whoops.
Going all the way over there. That's probably getting over there.
Whoops. Oh well, it's okay. It's okay.
Hopefully use both of these. Probably not.
Probably like a brownish color. That would look terrible. Okay. After we add the color, we'll allow the mixture to sit for a minute and then mix your Zuka with your hands. Add sand if desired.
Yeah, no.
You don't want the sand?
Just, yeah, I decided. Put all in there.
No, not all of it. We'll use a little bit of it. Because we'll make a second one. We'll make a purple one.
20 of them.
Well, I guess we won't be able to because they're
No,
sodium.
yeah, there's some say.
It's okay. We'll still keep it and everything. Okay. So, let's see. Well, sorry guys. We're waiting for the thing to sit a minute. And then, you see, allow the mixture to sit for a minute and then mix your Zuka slime with your hands. Oh my gosh. With my hands. I'm going to probably do it with, this might be the best idea for right now.
Yeah.
Don't mix it yet. Okay, go ahead. I would say go ahead and start mixing it. I'll hold the cup still.
Oh, we don't see it now. I should use this.
Well, use that if you want. Oh my god! Oh my god, it was a little too late. Here. Let's add a little bit of this. A little bit of sand. About that much. Well, a bit more. There you go. You guys get to see it in a minute. Oh my gosh. Well, while you're stirring that up a little bit, Brian, I'm going to put some of this stuff in the trash. I have no idea where that other stuff went.
I don't know if it's gonna...
What? Let me see.
It's filthy. Here, let me get this. There's something like this.
So,
That's
what
not
in
gonna-
the world?
It's disgusting.
That's the rest of that's like the dye. Oh my gosh. It looks gross. I mean, I guess we could try it with our hands. Woo! I got it. Here, let me go ahead and do it with this. I'm still trying to... I think we put a little too much dye in it, but it's okay. Yeah, that's mostly dye, so... We can... Ooh! Oh, this feels so nasty.
I bet.
Oh my gosh, hold on. Ooh, can you move that cup a little bit? Okay. Move that way. No, over it. To the corner. There we go. This is like so weird. It feels... It's not yet done, but oh my gosh. I can see why they said. That looks disgusting!
Oops.
It is definitely slime, I can tell you that. But it's so nasty. Like, I don't... look at that. I'm sparkly. Would you say this would be a fail or a win? I wouldn't say both. Because it is starting to feel like slime. But it's so nasty and definitely messy. Here, you want to feel it? We might need to get some baby wipes from in there in the bathroom.
It's disgusting. That's
Here, you're gonna go get some. Oh, look at this. It's so nasty. It looks like chewed up gum. It's exactly what it... Oh, it stinks too. But look at it. It's weird. So you can rip it apart and whatever. I kind of regret putting in the glitter because like when you do it like that, like the glitter goes swoosh everywhere. Luckily our cat Lola is up there, if you can see her. Right there, sleeping in her little cat tower. I'm gonna put this right in here, don't throw it away. But I wanna get the rest of the stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to have more than that.
You have to wash your hands, maybe.
Yeah, I will. I'm just trying to get most of this yucky stuff off, though. I'm gonna go and put this. Well, no, actually, you wanna open. Here, keep that right there. I'll put that in there. Okay. I think if you guys would like to buy it, we bought at the dollar store. Something to do. Definitely, but really, really messy. Definitely. Yeah. I would definitely put something in there, and I definitely would not recommend the glitter because like when you break it apart, the glitter shoots everywhere. Sorry, I have to do so many of them.
You probably need more.
Well, it's better, but you can go ahead and do yours now. Go ahead and wipe. Here, I'll put it right here. Oh, okay.
This stuff.
No. We might use that for something else. You never know. With this kind of stuff, we'll throw away though. But yeah, Brian, what's your pros, cons with this?
Not really too sure. I don't really like it.
Why is that? Because it's nasty.
It does look like gum.
It does look like gum. Like, not sure if you all can see it, but it definitely looks like gum.
Well, I don't know. Probably not very well, but
You wanna go?
disgusting.
Hold on, here, throw that away.
Yes.
And I'm gonna keep that out, but we're gonna keep like the glue and the dye or some other stuff. We need to. Look at all. It's like there's. Hold on, let me get you guys. It's like the rest of the dye and stuff. It's like all yucky. Ugh. Okay, you're gonna throw this away, and then will you go get one of those the things in the yellow container? You know, in there. Anyways, if you guys want that kind of stuff, I guess you could buy it or whatever. Like I said, we just got this at the dollar store, but I like it. It's just really, really messy. So yeah, we gotta find that lid where it went and like popped off and flew. So
There's a tiny trail, but
anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this weird video. Anyways, we'll see you around. Bye bye.